Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the new and latest collaboration with the GHOSTEK. So I wanted to give this shout out to Irish from their marketing team for sending me this. So these are some of the iPhone 14 Pro Max cases. There are 3 different colors in here. The clear, smoke, and then red color. So be sure to check out the link that's going to show you within the description so you guys could check them out. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys the new product. Wow, look at the nice packaging. So this one is the clear color. It's by GHOSTEK, covered 6. And this one is the MagSafe wireless charging compatible. So if you have the MagSafe wireless charging, it is gonna stick to the backing of your iPhone 14 Pro Max. And this is the HD clear backing, diamond grip, raised camera lip, and you got the detailed cutouts for your charging port and your microphone and your speaker. And it is a non-slip grip. And it offers a limited lifetime warranty. So it's like a frosted ice on the side. And you got the clear backing. You have the raised camera protective frame right here. And you got the extra bumper protection on the corner. Come with a sticker. You could tag them. And then a thank you card. So yeah, let's go ahead and try it on. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max dummy phone. So yeah, I fit in there very nicely. So if you have the MagSafe, just put it back here and it's gonna stick onto the ring right here. There's your cutout right there. Nice. So let's go ahead and check out the smoke. So right here by the camera it says covered. Let's go ahead and try it on. And this is what it looks like. Oh, so it's like a curvature on the side right here, left and then right hand side. So you get a nice grippy. Not sure if I could see it, but it sees that it went downward and then go up again. So it's this side. Okay, let's go and then check out this last one. This one is the red color. GHOSTEK. Oh, this one is the iPhone 14 Pro, not the Pro Max. So I got the iPhone 14 Pro right here. There you go. So I fit them very nicely. And don't worry about dropping your phone. You got the raised up front lip as well. And then camera and bumper case around the corner and everything to protect it from dropping it. Okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. I'll see you guys on the next one like always. Peace.